Occupational therapy is a 2-year program. Our goal is to prepare our students to leave ACU with a perspective on serving through their profession and their community, and also having the skills and the mindset to be innovative about ideas or problems they might solve as they practice as a clinician. I am unaware of any other OT program utilizing a maker community space as a true classroom space and a learning environment for our students.
My experience at the Maker Lab really helped me kind of think more client-centered, and that class really challenged us to think outside of the box and really individualize things for our patients, and it really made us have more of an appreciation for who they are as a person.
We have field work, which is outside of class, and that was a great experience, being able to kind of get some hands-on, not just using the book, but being able to apply what's in the book to kind of real-world situations.
Within Abilene, we have a variety of practice settings that have agreed to and take our students for fieldwork purposes. The students can stay here to do a lot of their fieldwork needs if necessary. We want to instill in them that as professionals, they have a responsibility. They have a responsibility to their communities that they work in, to their patients' families, and to be an advocate and to be there for the patient however that looks.